Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn English phrasal verbs in a very easy and interesting way. No boring grammar, no difficult words, one simple story, daily life situations, and real English usage. So let's get started. Let me tell you about one normal day in my life. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m. Wake up means to stop sleeping. I get up from my bed and turn off my alarm. Get up means leave the bed. Turn off means stop a machine. Then I wash up, put on my clothes, and go out for a walk. Wash up means wash face and hands. Put on means wear clothes. Go out means leave the house. After walking, I come back home and sit down for breakfast. Come back means return. Sit down means take a seat. While eating breakfast, my mother asks me about my plans. Ask about means ask for information. I tell her that I will look for a new job. Look for, search. She cheers me up and says, "Don't give up." Cheer up makes someone happy. Give up, stop trying. Her words help me carry on. Carry on, continue. I head out to the city. Head out means leave for a place. Suddenly, my phone runs out of battery. Run out means finish completely. I ask around for help, and a stranger points out a charging shop. Ask around means ask many people. Point out means show something. At the cafe, I meet up with my friend Tom. Meet up means meet someone. We talk about life and catch up after a long time. Catch up means talk about past events. Tom tells me not to put off my dreams. Put off means delay. He says success will come along if I work hard. Come along means happen naturally. Later, I mess up my job interview. Mess up means make a mistake. I feel like breaking down, but I calm down. Break down means lose control emotionally. Calm down means relax. I think over my mistakes and figure out what went wrong. Think over means think carefully. Figure out means understand. At night, I write down everything I learned. Write down means record. I look back at my day and realize something important. Look back means remember the past. Life will bring up problems, but we must deal with them. Bring up means introduce. Deal with means handle. Before sleeping, I turn off the lights and doze off peacefully. Doze off means fall asleep slowly. The next morning, I set off early for an interview. Set off means start a journey. On the way, the bus breaks down. Break down means stop working. I get off the bus and walk around to find another way. Get off means leave a vehicle. Walk around means walk without direction. Ask for directions and end up in the wrong street. Ask for means request. End up means finally reach, often unexpectedly. But I don't freak out. I slow down and think. Freak out means panic. Slow down means reduce speed. I show up on time. Show up means arrive. The manager calls me in and goes over my resume. Call in means ask to enter. Go over means review. He points out my skills and asks me to fill out a form. Fill out means complete a form. After the interview, I feel low. My friend notices and checks on me. Check on means see if someone is okay. He tells me not to beat myself up. Beat yourself up means blame yourself. We hang out and talk things through. Hang out means spend time together. Talk through means discuss carefully. Slowly, my confidence comes back. Come back means return. At night, I log into social media. Log in means enter an account. I scroll through posts and come across a motivational video. Scroll through means move down a screen. Come across means find by chance. I share it with my friends and sign off. Share with means give to others. Sign off means log out. At dinner, my father brings up my future. Bring up means start a topic. I open up and talk about my fears. Open up means share feelings. He tells me to stick to my goal and move on from failure. Stick to means continue doing. Move on means stop focusing on the past. Life can push you down, but you must get back up. Push down means discouraged. Get back up means recover. If you fall behind, don't give in. Fall behind means be late. Give in means surrender. Always work on yourself and believe in your dreams. Work on means improve. Believe in means trust. Part 2. When I woke up, my little brother was trying to catch on to his online class. Catch on means understand. Don't worry, you'll catch on soon. Suddenly, my sister cut in while I was talking to my mom. Cut in means interrupt. Sorry to cut in, but I need help. My dad told me to carry on with my breakfast. Carry on with means continue. Please carry on with your work. I waited for my friend Ravi, but he didn't turn up. Turn up means arrive. He didn't turn up for the meeting. Later, I called him back and asked him to come over. Call back means return a call. Come over means visit. I'll call you back later. Come over this evening. I couldn't make up my mind about going out. Make up your mind means decide. So I decided to think ahead about my day. Think ahead means plan. He asked me to stick around for some time. Stick around means stay longer. Finally, I decided to go through with my plan. Go through with means complete. Hold on, I'm coming, I said. Hold on means wait. I almost slipped up while booking tickets, so I weighed up the options. Slip up means make a mistake. Weigh up means consider carefully. I set aside some money and counted on him for help. Set aside means save. Count on means rely. At work, my boss asked me to take on extra work. Take on means accept responsibility. Many workers were laid off last month. Lay off means remove from job. I clocked in at 9 a.m. and clocked out at 6 p.m. Clock in and out means start, finish work. I promised to pay back my friend and started to save up. Pay back means return money. Save up means collect money. I tried to cut down expenses and bring in more income. Cut down means reduce. Bring in means earn. I put in a lot of effort and soon I took over a small project. Put in means invest effort. Take over means control. At home, I helped my mom clear up the kitchen. Clear up means tidy. I threw away old papers because we ran out of space. Throw away means discard. Run out of means finish. She told me to put away my phone and not hang up on relatives. Put away means store. Hang up means end a call. In the evening, I took out my cousin for dinner. Take out means go on a date or dinner. I brought back groceries and set out early the next day. Bring back means return. Set out means start journey. I picked out a shirt and pulled out of a cricket match. Pick out means choose. Pull out means withdraw. Last year, my friend broke up with his girlfriend. Break up means end a relationship. I tried to make up for his sadness. Make up for means compensate. I never wanted to let him down. Let down means disappoint. He pulled through a tough time. Pull through means recover. We gave away old clothes and stood by each other. Give away means donate. Stand by means support. Some people turned against him, but I didn't. Turn against means oppose. Never look down on others. Look down on means feel superior. I always look up to my parents. Look up to means admire. Finally, my friend opened up to me. Open up to means share feelings. My boss came across as strict but kind. Come across as means seem. Even with less salary, I get by. Get by means manage. We wound up laughing at the end of the day. Wind up means end up. My business slowly took off. Take off means become successful. After a long day, I felt worn out. Wear out means become tired.